Isn't that fun? Do you like hypnosis?
Ow!
What happened there? Another hypnosis video, and this week it's all in the mind. All hypnosis is, and the mind is a very powerful thing. So if you want to know why and how, keep watching, because there's a lovely example in this week's video. Hi, it's Turan here for Feel Good Hypnosis, and this week's video is really showing the power of the mind. Now, as a hypnotherapist, I do a lot of work with people to overcome pain and reduce pain. In this little comedy skit, I'm actually going to induce some pain, but it's all within safe limits because it's all in the mind. All pain is really inside your mind. When you stump your toe, the pain's not actually in the toe. The signal is sent up to your brain to tell you that, something has happened to that toe, and the way the brain alerts it is giving you the impression that there's pain down there. So we can control pain in many ways, whether it's to stop pain if you have it, or we can induce it, as we do just for a bit of fun in safe measure with this young boy. So the key thing is, when you're working with kids, is to make sure you have guardian permission. So the person that was with him, the adult that was with him, was making sure that they knew and were watching, so that he was in safe hands. It's always important to do that when working with kids. I have a disclaimer at the start of the video. Hopefully you read that, but it's important to reiterate that when working with kids. So as we start this video, I've already hypnotized this guy. I've done a few skits with him, so you can see me just removing and making sure that the last suggestion is removed. During the time the video is opening up, you'll see me giving some suggestions about you're going to be very good at maths, and later on in the video you'll see me saying, oh, you're going to help your mother with housework. Again, nice polite suggestions just to give him a good sense of unconscious message there to just help out mum and be good at your homework, be good at maths. So I tell him, when he sees me touching my nose, so I'm planting a trigger. In this case, it's me touching my nose. Every time he sees me touching my nose, he's going to feel like someone's nipping him in the backside, nipping him in the bum. And it's a very simple suggestion. And then I say 1, 2, 3, wide awake. And what happens? I start chatting to him and start just accidentally touching my nose, and right away his brain triggers. Now, kids are great. Kids are the best people to hypnotize because, well, they're very suggestible already at a young age. So giving that suggestion, he really takes that on board, and you can see him going, ow, my bum. And I touch my nose again and say, there's nobody standing behind. Who nipped your bum? And he goes, ow. Watch the video. It's really strong. It shows you how powerful the mind is, because nobody's nipping his bum. I'm nowhere near him touching him, and yet just by me touching my nose and that suggestion that I'm going to feel pain when that chap touches his nose is enough for him to really feel that pain. And you can see the expression in his face. Now, it's no worse than nipping someone politely, so he's not feeling intense pain or devastating pain, but it's a good fun skit, and you can again hear the people off camera that are with him laughing and giggling. So to finish off this video, what's nice is I give another suggestion, and this suggestion is that when he sees his friend click his fingers, he will go back into trance. Now, it looks like I'm giving my control of hypnosis, because there is no control. We've talked about that in many videos, but it looks like I'm giving control over to his friend to be able to hypnotize him and put him into trance. What I'm really doing is just giving him the verbal suggestion that when he sees his friend click his fingers, he will go back into trance. And again, it's only in the context while I'm there. So his friend comes over, and you can see his delight that his friend has when he clicks his fingers. The guy drops back into hypnosis, wonderfully, and it's a nice way to end the hypnosis that I was doing with the young fella. As I said earlier, I bring him out of hypnosis and layering in some suggestions. He's going to be a good lad, and he's going to tidy his room and all the rest of it. That's what all mums want, so I wanted to give him that little, or her really, that little freebie. But it's nice to give a little suggestion as a little gift on the way out. Again, I asked him, does he remember what happened? And he doesn't, so then I give him those memories back to him. He was a lovely star, he was a lovely character, and so was his friend that put him into trance. You can see again his surprise. It was really good to see. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this short little tutorial telling you what's going to happen and how it's happening, and the reasonings and wordings behind it happening. So check out the video. Don't forget, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, so other people are encouraged to watch along and see how many likes it has. I want to get you more videos, and to do that I need this YouTube channel to grow. So click the big red subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and click the little bell notification next to that so that you get notified every time a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. I really want to make more videos for you. If there's something particular you like about this video, put it in the comment section below. Or if you miss something and you'd like to see something, put it in the comment section below. If this video or any video, just to tell us what you like and what you would like to see next, so I can put a video together just for you. I really enjoy making these videos. I enjoy teaching people. If you want to learn hypnosis, check out the website. There's going to be details at the end of the video. Check out the website, because I do regular trainings as well. And if you just want some hypnotherapy, feel free to contact me as well. Some people have contacted me recently via the YouTube channel, looking for improvements in their life, where it's to get more focus, to overcome a fear or phobia. I really enjoy helping people using hypnosis, whether it's for entertainment or to help them change the way they think about themselves. Look forward to getting your feedback in the comments section. Look forward to meeting you sometime. Maybe do point out if you've ever watched the YouTube channel and you come across me. Really look forward to chatting to you. In the meantime, let's get on with the video. Check it out.
So in the moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, the number 7 is going to come back to you. You'll remember the number 7, you'll always remember the number 7. And from now on, you're going to be better than you ever thought you could be at maths. But in a moment, every time you see me touching my nose, it's like someone behind you has just nipped your bum. Every time I touch my nose, it's like someone behind you has nipped your bum. Nod your head, you understand? 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Hold your hands up just to make sure everything's back. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Of course it is, it's all back. Isn't that fun? Do you like hypnosis?
Ow!
What happened there?
It hurt.
What hurt? I was just talking to you and you...
Ow!
What?
It hurt.
What hurts?
My bum.
Well, there's nobody behind you.
No.
So how can it...
Ow!
How can it... What's up with you?
Ow, stop. What's up? It hurt.
I'm not doing anything. Do you want to be a hypnotist?
Yeah.
Stand here, stand here. In a moment he's going to click his finger. Can you click your fingers? In a moment he's going to click your fingers and you'll just go back into sleep. Ready? So you do it. There you go. Deeper, 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 relax. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and the count of 5 all hypnotic suggestions are going to disappear. You will no longer feel like someone's nipping your bum when I touch my nose. You'll no longer forget the number 7, and you'll no longer be stuck to the floor. But when you wake up, you're going to feel really good, really invigorated, really happy to do lots of housework and help Mum out and everything that she does, that she needs to do. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in now. Feel that washing all the way through your head, through your sinuses. And 5, wide awake, stretch. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Do you remember what happened?
No.
No?
No. What's your name? Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. You never forgot your name.
No.
There you go.
How do you do the big